Welcome back, everybody, to another fun gear review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Victorinox Swiss Army Ranger Grip number 79. I have wanted to get my hands on one of these Ranger grips, and there's a lot of different ones out there. Victorinox has a ton of different models. But what's always held me back is the cost. These are not cheap. The list price on this one is $80. However, I got it on Amazon for $51. That's 29 bucks off. That is a smoking deal. So I said, you know what? I'm going to grab this. And I did. Now, I originally saw one of these on Corporal's Corner, which is Corporal Kelly's channel. And he uses one as a pocket knife, and I can totally see the utility in it. For a long time, I kind of stayed back from using two knives. Like, I would have my belt knife, and I'd try to use my belt knife for everything. And for some tasks that can be difficult, you know, because for certain things you want a thinner blade, you know, for carving and stuff like that, and other things you want a thicker blade like for batoning. So all these years I've resisted doing it. Now I finally broke down and I'm doing it. I'm going to a two-knife system. So I'm going to have this as a pocket knife, and then I'm going to have whatever my field knife or my belt knife is. Now, let me just give you some details here from the Amazon page and link in the description as well. Let's see here. Made in Switzerland. Victorinox. I love it. I have a few Swiss Army knives. I might do a video on them someday if somebody's interested. This particular one has 12 functions. It has a height of 0.9 inches, so not quite an inch, a length of 5.1 inches, and a weight of 5.9 ounces. It's 130 millimeter scales, and that's the total length of it folded up. Functions: key ring, toothpick, tweezers, can opener, screwdriver, 3 millimeter, large blade, bottle opener, screwdriver 5 millimeter, wire stripper, wood saw, reamer, punch, sewing awl, and corkscrew. Alright, let's get it out here and let's take a look at the box. Came a little beat up in one of those Amazon shipping envelopes. I'm willing to forgive that just to get my hands on one. Okay, so let's pop this guy out. I already cut the seal, so I wanted to look at it, and look at that. It is nice and big. I got large hands. I love the size of this. You can do a one-hand blade opening, that large eyelet. And that large eyelet has jimping on the back, so you can hold it like this. And like I said, a thin blade like this can be very useful. Very useful. And it's got a liner lock, see that? And to unlock it, you push the Swiss Army knife shield here. Look at that. So you push that in, fold that over. There we go. We have the large blade. We have a very nice large saw. Very cool. Bottle opener, screwdriver tip, wire stripper, wine bottle opener. This is the awl and reamer right here. And then we have a small screwdriver tip here, and this is a can opener. On the back side here, you have two storage compartments, there and there. One is for your tweezers, and one is for the large toothpick. Very cool. A lot of utility in a small package there, and for the price I got it, and I'm looking at Amazon right now, it's still 51 bucks. What a deal. Okay. And put everything here away. Now, oh, help if I put those in right, wouldn't it? I like tweezers. I don't know how many times I've gotten thorns and stuff buried in my hands or an arm, and I'm trying to dig it out. Well, watching Felix Imler's channel, and I'm going to provide a link down in the description for that. If you're interested at all in outdoor stuff, you don't have to be interested in the Swiss Army stuff, but my God, that guy's got some nice content on his channel. And if you are into Swiss Army knives, yeah, you can get some ideas there, let me tell you. Let's do a nice little sharpness test. Alright. Well, there's hair. So it is hair popping sharp. I'm going to wipe that off. Phone book paper time. Oh yeah. I knew Victorinox wouldn't let me down. Their stuff is always sharp. Our weight on the Ranger Grip 79 is 5.9 ounces. So let's check that and see if it comes in at its listed weight. Okay. Pounds first. 5 7/8. That's 5.9. That's close enough. 167 grams. All right. Let's take this outside and try it out. So you can use that button pretty easily, even with gloves on. I like that. You can do the one-handed opening with gloves too. Pretty slick. Used this Ranger Grip 79 now for going on 3 weeks. And I gotta say, totally impressive. Totally love it. This is my new pocket knife. Now, it's funny. I never wanted to be one of those guys that carries more than one knife, but here I am. I'm one of those guys. You know, Swiss Army knives really were the world's original multi-tool, and that hasn't changed. It's no wonder that my favorite multi-tool is made by Victorinox. So this is just one more tool in my arsenal, and I gotta say, for $51, and I just checked, it is still at $51 on Amazon, link in the description. So if you're looking for a larger bladed pocket knife that has a lot of other functions to it, this is the way to go, in my opinion. Can use it with gloves, without gloves. It works great. You're also going to want to see the video I did on this multifunction lanyard. You're going to want to check that out, because not only does it keep you from losing it, it's got other functions. And that's all I'm going to say on that. Ranger Grip 79, total thumbs up, totally worth getting. Hey, it'd make a great gift for someone too who's really in the outdoors. And that's all I got to say about that, folks. Thank you for watching, and have a great night.